Well, as they say, one step forward, two steps back. This what appeared to be surface corrosion at the top of the A-post just below the windscreen pillar. On further investigation, I found that there was some corrosion behind the panel, and when I've stripped the A-post off and looked underneath, it is quite serious. So it looks like I'm going to have a repair panel for the A-post. Whilst doing that, I found that our little car has been in an accident. There's a huge wad of filler put into the body here, and it looks like at some time the bonnet has been pushed back into the car, and it's done a little bit of damage around here. So that's got to be sorted as well. I'm now working on rebuilding the A-post and the bottom hinge. I've had the door on and located the bottom hinge in its position, and at the moment I've got it holding onto the inner footwell side panel with grip pins. I've got a panel which I've made, which is going to go in between the hinge and the back of the A-post. I've got to reinstate the courtesy light switch box. I've made a panel. I've obviously got to cut out all of this rust on the top of the inner A-post, and I've made a panel which I will then weld in place, and when all that's done, got to fit the outer A-post on. So piece by piece, the first job that I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out all the rot. So that's all the panels welded into the A-post, and the A-post now is reformed, or the inner A-post is. I've reinstated the check strap and door courtesy light box, and I fitted the door, and at the moment the door gaps are very good. I've now got to put the outer skin on, and once that's done, hopefully the gap will still be good. Well, that's the outer A-post now fitted. Went on rather well after a little bit of pulling and pushing. The join at the top has come out pretty well, where it joins the top scuttle, and you can see that the door gap is quite good, so I'm very pleased with that. All in all, a good job.